Hey guys, it's your girl Kayla P. You know when I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. I got my Boxycharm box. Finally. It's like the end of the month. Yeah. So let's just get up into it. The theme of this month is Boxycharm Sweet Treats. We have C821, that's 2021, 04, that's the month, and then version 25, that's version 7. BA is base. Okay. So I got version 7. This is Farmacy. I it's been a while and I just read the first thing, so and that just made me a bummer because that means I didn't get the Natasha Nona palettes and I gotta buy one from Macari. Yeah. So Farmacy oil, yay. Don't want oil. I literally have 2 big things of oils. I put on my thing that I don't want oils, and they gave me oil. I mean, I like Farmacy, but they gave me oil. I'd rather have the Natasha Nona palette, the IAA palette, which is not on add-ons. If it was on add-ons, I would have got it, but it's not on add-ons. It's not on add-ons, so I'm stuck with this. Yay. This is $48. I would never pay $48 for this because I don't need a facial oil. I have 2 big ones, and I am currently going through my Kiehl's one, and my Kiehl's one works as night oil does. I use it only at night. I don't use it in the morning, so it's not like I can use it both times. And yeah, that's all I can say. First product, dud. But I'm gonna put in my calculator. Let me just put it on. Turn it on. Is it on? Is it dead? Is my calculator dead? I think my calculator is dead. Oh my gosh, my calculator is dead. Is it batteries? It says batteries, right? I don't know. I just got it, and then I didn't know that it had batteries. I'm pressing it. It's not coming on. Oh my gosh, my calculator is dead. Goodbye, calculator. Okay, anyways. Next thing. This is too late for me. The Kinder Beauty highlighting palette is $15. Woohoo. I'm gonna just open it to see, to confirm it's too late for me. This is what the packaging looks like. Really cute, reflecting packaging. It has 4 names: gracious, angel, loving, kindly. It's cruelty and vegan. It's cruelty free and vegan. It's really hard to open, and the plastic is already coming loose. Oh, it's like I don't even want to open it. Oh, I almost had it fully open. That was really hard to open. Yeah, I don't need any more highlights. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I just don't need any more highlights at all. And that icy gold shade, that's interesting, but I would never wear it. Those bronze shades are cute, but again, I would never wear it. This icy shade with the stuff that's making me think of Jeffree Star vibes is cool, but it's too icy. I would never wear it. I am putting this on my Macari. I guess, like, literally, the Farmacy oil, this I just don't like my box. 2 products already. 2 products already. Cool. Okay, next thing. Oh. Mally, $25. Timeless taupe. I actually got a Mally one before. Yeah. I got this in Allure. It's really good. Blendable, it's great. I just don't use these, so I'm not gonna swatch it for you guys. I guess that's gonna be a Macari bundle. 3 out of 5. I do not like my box. Okay. Alright. I got some lashes. You guys know I like lashes. Before I was like no to lashes, but I like lashes. These look like the type of lashes that I would like. See, especially this one right here and this one that goes out. Yeah. These are the lashes I like. So I'm down. Okay, these are Flirtatious Look Cosmetics Monarch Lash Pack, $38. I am down for that. I basically just paid for this. First of all, Boxycharm, you get 5 full-size products a month. That's what I forgot to say. It costs $25 a month plus tax, so it costs $27 and some change, both close to $28. Just put $28 in your bank account, you'll be okay. So you're supposed to have more than $100 and I think $25 worth of products. So yeah, so I basically paid for this. Okay, the last item was my choice item. We had 2 choices. I really didn't like either one of them. But I knew Touch and Soul and I like Touch and Soul brand, so I was like, why not? But now I heard that this smells like rose, so I don't know. This is Touch and Soul Pretty Icy Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. It retails for $32. Lock your looks in place and keep them cool and icy with the Sherbet Primer. I guess I could always test it out again. 2 out of 3. Well, actually 1.5 because I like the lashes. But I want to test out this because I don't know if it's good or not. Oh, it does. It smells like rose. It smells like straight up rose. Oh no. I'm just patch test it there. See if it breaks me out, because you know me and rose, we don't go together. And if not, then I'm gonna sell it separately from the bundle on Macari. And if it does break me out, and I'm gonna just tell them that, you know, I just took out the cap, put it on my hand, and called it a day. Oh, the smell goes away when you rub it in, and it feels cool. Yeah, the smell goes away when you rub it in, and it feels cool. And my hands look hydrated and a little bit blurred. Okay, I changed my mind too. Well, if it breaks me out, well, technically my hands and my face is totally different. I actually have to pass chest right by the ear if I really want to be sure, but it's looking like 2 out of 3 I like. 2 out of 3 I like. Great. I have no, does that open? Does it open? Is it supposed to open? I'm gonna break it, am I? I'm gonna break it. I shouldn't break it. I mean, the instructions are right there. I should read the instructions. I should definitely read the instructions. So the whole box retails for $158. But because 3 products I'm not going to be using, my box retails for $70. $70. I basically paid $28. Not that much in savings, but I did save some off of 2 products. It's like basically I went to the Sephora VIB sale and I bought these 2 items. I'm not mad at that. I was gonna buy lashes. I did buy lashes in the Sephora VIB sale. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it above. And I bought some lashes from Ulta recently, so like, yeah, okay, all right. And then a primer. I mean, I didn't buy a primer because I didn't need a primer, but I did pick this, so can't wait to try it out on my face. Cool. That's all I can say. Like, this is like the worst box. Like, I saw boxes where they had this, the primer, and the palette. To be honest, if I got like other stuff, like, okay, they had the Dragon Beauty the corrector, and it's definitely not going to work for my skin color. But if I would have got that corrector and I would have got the palette, I would have been okay. I would have been okay with that. Like, they changed this to the corrector and this to the palette. So if I got that, then I would have been okay. I would have just put the corrector and this on Macari, and I would have got my money back, and I would have been okay. By the way, if you want to do the bundle with the Mally stick, this, and this, it will be on my Macari. It will be linked down below. I'm really, really bummed about this right now. That's all I can say. Anyways, deuces. Have a great day. Video right here, head right here. Go check it out. I can't even believe I paid $28 for that. I mean, yay, new lashes. That's all I can say is the lashes. Like, I'm happy about the lashes. I'm happy about the lashes. I don't have to buy lashes. Any more lashes. I'm happy about the lashes. That's all I can say is I'm happy about the lashes, and I'm happy to try a new primer. Like, 2 items out of 5. 2 items out of 5. I'm not ungrateful that, you know, I got all these items and everything else, but it's just stuff that I need. I have 2 oils, 2 big ass oils, and one I'm still using. I'm not even halfway through. And then you guys give me another oil when I put on my thing that I do not want oils. No oils, no moisturizers. I just want palettes, makeup, skincare. Yes, with toner. I put toner. I put, what else I put? I put cleansers. But I did not put oil. Didn't put oil. But they gave me oil. Like I said, video right here, head right here. Go check it out.